Mocha raids in Montego Bay and Portmore in government fraud probe. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. Teams from the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA are undertaking a series of simultaneous and coordinated targeted operations in St. James and St. Catherine. According to Major Baza Jarrett, Director of Communications at MOCA agents with operational support from the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF went to two locations, one in Montego Bay and another in Portmore, at around 5 a.m. on Friday in search of a number of persons suspected to be involved in a major fraud investigation at a government entity. The teams are currently at both locations carrying out search and seizure operations, and arrests are expected to be made. Major Jarrett said that more information will be provided in a later update. This has been Links007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.